Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm preparing for you some oxtail stew. So keep watching. Today I'm going to be preparing some oxtails for dinner for tomorrow. I'm going to start these off by marinating these, so I will show you the ingredients in a few minutes. These oxtails weigh 2.3 pounds. Okay, I have added a tablespoon of coconut oil to the pot here, and I have it on saute, so that's what I'm going to start off. Okay, I just washed the oxtails, and I'm going to go ahead and put some salt on it. Some real salt. Okay, I just added 2 teaspoons of real salt and the sea salt in here. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, I'm going to do 1 teaspoon parsley, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of adobo seasoning, and some black pepper. A teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm gonna mix everything up in this bowl, and I'm gonna let it marinate for about an hour before I start on sauteing the oxtail. So you wanna get in there and massage all of the ingredients into the meat, okay? Okay, I'm getting ready to saute the oxtail. Like I said earlier, I had added a tablespoon of coconut oil. So I'm just adding them all in here so that I can saute them so they can get brown on one side. And then I will flip them over to brown on both sides. I'm adding 1 pack of stevia on the top of the meat. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn these oxtails over and let them cook on the other side. What's in the bottom of the pot is all of the goodness. It's going to make everything taste even better. And this is all keto, but even if you're not on the keto diet, you can cook the way I cook. It will help you with your carb count. Let me turn that over like that. Like this oxtail stew, is going to make some really good gravy, even though I'm not using flour. Let that cook for a while. While the oxtails are cooking, I just want to show you this. This is like a burger bun. I have been working on a keto bun that, tastes like it's real. Not anything that tastes like eggs, things like that. So this is the silicone tray that I'm gonna use to make my buns, my hamburger buns. I'm really interested in doing hamburger buns, and then from hamburger buns to whatever. I don't know, I just want buns, I guess, because when I had my restaurant, I always sold this vegan burgers, turkey burgers, and beef burgers, and I always wanted to make my own at the restaurant, but the restaurant was just too busy to be able to cook all the buns that we needed for the restaurant from scratch. So I'm hoping I will do a home version so that you can have really good buns, keto buns, whenever you want a bun or bread or whatever. Now, this burger bun pan, I purchased this on Amazon.com. Now, I don't have the link in my description area, but you can go through my links that I have on there and find this. This is what it looks like. You get a little recipe book with it. This is the box that it comes in. So if you're interested in making my future buns, this is what I'm going to be using. So you might want to purchase the same item that I have, okay? Just want to let you know. While the oxtails are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prepare some bacon for our dinner today. We decided that we wanted breakfast for dinner today. We do intermittent fasting. I just turned the oxtail over, so I'll let you see what that looked like in a little bit. Let me just go ahead and place this bacon on a tray. When I usually do bacon, I will do the whole pack. That way, if we want bacon and salads or whatever, we have it. So I don't just do what we eat. I'm always batch cooking everything. So this is one whole pack of bacon that I'm adding to this tray. And I know you have seen me do this many times. If you've been watching my videos, I will add this to a 350-degree oven, and I will let it cook for 25 to 27 minutes, because that's how we like our bacon. You might like yours, I don't know, very crispy. We don't. So this is how we do our bacon. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this in a 350-degree oven, and let me set the timer. Alexa, set a timer for 27 minutes.
27 minutes, starting now.
Okay, this is what the oxtails look like right now. You notice I added sugar on the top of it, and that's stevia I added on the top of the oxtail. You notice how brown they are. So it's going to make the sauce a little darker, which is fantastic. I love darker sauces. So just keep like that. I'm going to go ahead and do 4 cups of water in this oxtail. And here's just 4, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and place the top on it. You notice how the color is kind of brown in there. That's based on the stevia that I cooked the oxtail in. It made the meat turn browner faster. And I'm gonna set the mode here for stew, mill, and stew. And I'm gonna set it for 81 minutes, and then I will check it after 81 minutes, okay? Okay, I just added 2 whole garlic cloves to the pot. So I didn't film that, but I'm just letting you know. Okay, that's my omelet. That's 2 eggs in the pan. I added some salt to the omelet, and I added about 1/4 cup of cheese in the omelet there, so I'm gonna let it cook a little bit. And I have it on low, 330. There we go. That's how I like my omelet here. So I've got a little light pepper on it. And a little more salt on the top. Go ahead and get like 4 small pieces too a day. They're full of vitamins, so you should try to incorporate that in your meal. Here's the bacon, just came out of the oven. Okay, here's the bacon. Just added it to a couple paper towels. Here's what it looks like on the plate there. This is one of the plates. You notice the liver on the plate. Okay, the oxtails are still cooking, so I also failed to mention to you that I have it on sealing the pot, just right up there. Fried liver on the plate, and also some bacon and eggs. I let the meat cook for 3 hours and a half. This is what it looks like. So I removed the meat from the pot, and I added some more water to it. What I'm doing right now, deglazing the pot to get the gravy. I added a 4th teaspoon of xanthan and a half lemon to the pot for the gravy. So, okay, got my fork there, trying to deglaze the bottom of this Instant Pot. If you own an Instant Pot, you know how meat kind of stick to the bottom, but that's all good. That's good flavor. Okay. While I'm finishing up with the meat, I start marinating some chicken wings. I just added, this was like 2 pounds and some ounces of chicken, so I added 2 teaspoons of sea salt to it, so I'm gonna let it marinate overnight. While I was cooking the other meat in the Instant Pot, I fried up some fried rice, cauliflower rice. So it's a recipe on my YouTube channel or either on my website for the recipe. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the gravy on the top of it. It looks absolutely delicious. I added the gravy on the top of the oxtail, and it looks amazing. Dinner. Here's Bill's dinner, along with his 0 Kool-Aid I made for him. So let me just get him in here so he can eat. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.